I'm really excited to show you guys. I really want this. There's so many different type of its table. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's been a while since I actually vlog, guys. I think it's about maybe 4 months now, and then off and on. So I'm not sure if I actually still know how to vlog because it feels like uncomfortable now. Unlike before, like every week or every 2 weeks I'm actually doing a video. But anyway, guys, I wanted to show you guys something because I really want this for a very long time. I just can't find the right one. So I finally found it, and I'm really excited to show you guys because I wanted to have this one. There's so many different type of table. It's a makeup vanity table, which is everyone that loves makeup want to have a vanity table. Anyway, I've been shopping around because since I live in Alaska, it's really hard to ship it in Alaska, or the shipping it costs more than the vanity. This actually, I was really happy when I saw it last year, but I didn't get the chance to buy on Thanksgiving because it sold out. And so a couple weeks ago, and I saw this again to Costco. Costco is very close to my house. Now they do selling some furniture and some other things. It's really nice that this one become available again into their store. It's not done yet. I haven't put everything, my makeup, my lipsticks in here. I still have it on the boxes, but I'm really excited to put everything and finish it because it was hard to use everything when it's on the boxes or it's hiding. Before that, let's go find my 2 babies because they're very quiet. So let's go. Nandito pala kayo. Ayan. What are you guys doing over here? You guys were in my bed, not here in the other bed. What are you doing? What are you doing? So I put a diaper because it's not fully trained yet outside, and I don't want him to pee inside the house. So this is Angus, guys. He is 3 months now. Oh, Angus. He's doing really good in his potty training, of course. The princess. This is the princess. What happened to your ponytail? Hey, let's go show. Yeah, you want to go show Mommy's vanity table? So let's go to the other bed, okay? Okay, come on, let's go, guys, let's go. That's the tent. This is where we play. My bed. That's my bed, my other bed. So I have 2 beds, guys. And then this is the vanity. Ayan, guys. I'm gonna remove this for now because this is actually my dirty makeup sponge. And then my coffee. I kind of redecorate it now. Start putting my stuff in here. Not all my brushes, but this is mostly my brushes that I use. And then look at my water cup. This is a gift to me from my aunt in Washington. So it's really cute. I really love this one, guys. I just put water so it's easy for me to clean. I think it's a Christmas gift or birthday gift. And that's my name. And she put some beautiful flowers around it. So that's the one. That's my brushes in here. I use this sometimes. I'm always stuck with my old brushes. And then this is some of my brushes and my liquid liner. I put it right here. And then I put some of my jewelry in here that I use every day. That one right there. So kind of like that. That's the mirror. And then this is the drawer. So it's like that. So right here, I kind of put some of my skincare that I just dumped it in here, guys, because I don't have time yet. Last night, I was just so excited to just wipe it and clean, but I'm gonna organize them. But I have a lot of skincare in here. This is all like pretty much the skincare. And then organize them later, so don't judge me yet. And this is my my wipes, some makeup in there. And then this is my foundation shelf. So this is my concealer. And then I threw away a lot of my foundation that it's old. So, and this is my lashes and my other things in here, this shelf. And then this one in the middle, It's my makeup that I use every day. See, that's why I don't like clear one, because I don't want to show this, because sometimes, you know, guys, we get like a little messy when doing makeup. So this one right there. And then this one, I don't have it yet, so I want to show you guys. But this is my lipstick. I do have a lot of lipstick because I do a lot of reviewing lipstick. Some of my lipstick I actually give away already, but I do have one bin, but I think I'm gonna throw away some of them. But this one is actually newer. This is my Gucci one, gift from me from my friends. And then Tom, oh, see, this is empty. And then this one, guys, technically is for your blow dryer, your flat iron, but I put snack in here because I'm close to my computer desk, which I work at home, guys. Don't judge me, I have a lot of snack everywhere. This is my table, and that's my workplace right there in the corner. Angus, I'm trying to vlog. Hey, I'm trying to vlog. Can we play later? We have to play later. Where's your sister? Hi, Pepper. Pepper. Angus, Angus. Gusto niya makipaglaro, guys. Angus. Oh, man. Okay, hold on. So, this is where the lighting. So, it turn out, it changed the lighting you prepare. So, like that. So, I kept this one right here. Of course, I put some plant next to my work area. So, that's where I work. That's what I do. And this is my makeup area. And then, this is where I sleep. You guys can imagine, I sleep and then I fix my face and then I work. See, like that. And then, you know, guys, if I wanted to change my bed, or I don't want to go sleep in here, then I sleep over there, guys. It's close to the big window. I have my plant in the corners. This is actually a big bedroom. If you walk, then this is my other room. Angus, stop. Let's play later, okay? Can we play later? Hui. Hui. Can we do that? I'm trying to vlog. I haven't vlogged for a long time. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. We'll play later, okay? Can we do that? No. We were playing earlier. Just like, play with me, play with me. Okay, hold on, hold on. So guys, now you guys see my vanity table that I'm really happy with. And this one, guys, I have to hold him because he won't leave me alone. He wanted to play with me and keep jumping on my legs, guys. So that's the one that I wanted to show you guys, because it takes me a long time actually, guys, to find a good vanity that I wanted to enjoy, because I love makeup, I love accessories, so I have to have this type of vanity. And it's not, you know, it's very simple. I like it. I'll put you down. Go in the bed. Show you guys. Look. He's kind of mad. Like he's thinking, what the heck? So there you go, guys. I showed you guys my vanity table that I was very excited yesterday, because it came in the afternoon while I was working, and I did my best to clean it up, wipe everything with Clorox wipes, and then put some of my makeup that I use every day and some of my accessories. My makeup table before, it wasn't that great. It's okay, but then I have to use that table to my computer desk because I do work at home, and then I ended using my little baby desk. It's a very small wood table. I do have to find some good chair. I've been using this chair for a long time. It's nice, but it doesn't match, so I kind of want something like white also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching my short video, and hopefully I can start videoing again, and then my channel will be alive, because it's been a very long time since I actually do a video. But anyway, guys, I'll see you again later for my next video. Bye. I'm gonna